Don't get on here rapping. Do not get on here rapping. I will kick you off so fast. What's up?
Don't get on here rapping. I'm stacking, making it happen.
Alone at the edge of a universe, humming a tune, or merely dreaming we were snow.
Hello, TMA gays. As most of you have seen, my Jurgen Leitner rant necklace has been a surprisingly funny hit. However, I will not be releasing it yet. With the fast approach of the Magnus protocol in October, I would like to release more TMA things, so I ordered a bunch of alphabet beads. This is where I need your help. Please give me your favorite TMA bits, dialogue, and direction that I might be.
Okay, there's a chance I was wrong about this. I might need to do further research.
Baby, gently in the cold darker. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
They step swiftly and gently to you. Mayhem, mayday, and oncoming doom.
There's something wrong, can you hear me? Knows your tongue.
Follow me, I have something to show you.
Take my heart, pull it apart, and take my brain.
And the worms crawl out.
I'm distracted, sons and daughters, out for slaughter. Turn the lights off.
I can't decide whether you should live or die.
Shouldn't we have something to eat?
I don't know what to do without you. Everybody's lonely. Everybody's lonely.
Statement of Timothy Stoker regarding his absolute dump truck of an ass. Statement begins.
One guy even had in his bio that he is only interested in trans women.
Dylan! Dylan, no! Dylan! Dylan! Run!
Where's the conspiracies? Information? Elias is at the center of it, but John is at the top! Oh, hi! I didn't see you guys. Sorry about the mess. I'm conspiracying. Conspiracying? Conspiracying. Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today isn't a blind react. This is me actually, sitting down and finally processing everything that happened in the last episode of the Magnus Archives, which was episode 92, Nothing Beside Remains. Holy shit, y'all. There was so much that I just didn't have a chance to react to in the last episode, because I was sitting there going, This felt like a finale. Episode 92 feels like a season finale. And we're not even, it's just in the middle of the season. Oh. Okay. So, I want to talk about the shit that I noticed, going back. First of all, and most concerning for me, is just how, nonchalant and lost all hope Tim is. Because, holy shit, I remember season 1 statement of Joan Spooky, and Tim is still my favorite character, but man, Tim's in a fucking dark place now. Second, man, Elias knows too much shit, man. He just knows too much. And I talked about it. I talked about it in the last episode. And a couple of you in the comments were like, you're not wrong about it. So, it is official. It is officially going to happen. I'm going to try and have my live stream talking about my conspiracy theories for Magnus Archives next week. I don't have a date set just yet, because I don't know what my work schedule is going to be for next week, but it will be happening. But right now, Elias is immortal. Elias has been alive for way too long. That's not necessarily why he knows everything. He's definitely some kind of a muscle of the eye, which kind of makes me wonder if because John doesn't seem to be a muscle yet, because Elias was kind of talking about, like, you're alive so far. And I feel like that so far has more weight to it than, I didn't expect you to live this long, you know? So I feel like John still has a way to go before he's, like, an official muscle. I think he's getting there. He's like a ligament right now, but he's not a muscle. But Elias knows too much. And it's a little bit terrifying. Other thing I want to talk about is that whole fucked up situation of if Elias dies or if the Institute is destroyed, all of the employees die. Everyone fucking dies. Again, I know, it's fully fucking established at this point that they follow the eye. The Institute is all about the eye because it's all-seeing, the all-knowing shit. But the fact that if one little thread comes apart, everything dies, that feels really web to me. So I feel like, I don't know if the entities can trick you into thinking they're another one, but I feel like the web is way more involved in the Institute than, like, people are letting on. I don't know, because I don't think they're really allies. I don't think any of the entities can be allies with each other, because I feel like they're all kind of in it to be the most powerful. Because that's what they were talking about with the unknowing, is remaking the world so that the stranger is, like, the most powerful. So I don't think there are really, like, allies and enemies here. But I do think that the web and the eye are working together to some extent, which is terrifying to me, of, like, the lies and the all-knowing, just ultimate manipulation and gaslighting and shit. So that is a terrifying concept to me. That it's fucked. It's completely fucked that Elias, like, forced them into that situation of, if you kill me, you are going to die horribly. Also, I hated, just throughout the entire thing, that Elias was just, he knew, like, this situation I'm in, it doesn't fucking matter. I'm in control the entire time. He knew he was in control the entire time. Pretty much Tim definitely knew. But, I don't think there's really a way to defeat Elias. He is definitely fucking evil. He is definitely the bad guy. But, I don't know. He wants to stop the unknowing. And the stranger is antithetical to the eye. I don't quite get that, the whole, like, fear of the unknown versus the fear of knowing everything, or the fear of being watched. To me, that doesn't really seem like opposite ends of the spectrum, but I don't really understand the muscles yet, or the entities themselves. All I know is I don't want any of them to be in control. But I don't know, man. Shit's fucky. Shit's real fucky, and I don't like how fucky it is. The other thing I kind of want to talk about is, I feel like, because John is, like, accidentally becoming a muscle. Elias is totally, like, already a muscle of the eye, or of the beholding, or whatever, the ceaseless watcher. But I feel like Daisy is also, I feel like Daisy is kind of Slaughter aligned, because she's just fucking killing people left and right. So I feel like Daisy is also a muscle that we're gonna have to contend with. It does make me question of, like, are Breakin' and Hope muscles, but we don't really know enough about them to think about that. Yeah, man. The blind react is gonna happen tomorrow. Shit's fucked, man. Shit is just absolutely fucked. I don't know what's happening, which is the crazy thing. I asked for a plot episode, I got a fucking plot episode, but none of my questions were answered, and I'm... You know what? Fair enough, but fuck you, you know? I'm frustrated, but I'm also like, okay, awesome, more questions, let's answer them. Someone said I'm very eye-aligned, and I don't know how to feel about that. But yeah, man, fucking conspiracies left and right, bro. I'm terrified of what the next episode is gonna bring. Because next episode, John's back at the archive. He's like, yeah, you know, we're not gonna arrest you anymore. You don't need to run anymore. John's back. So I'm excited to see, like, what kind of tension that brings of, like, yeah, I'm fucking stuck here, and I gotta do all this work to stop the unknowing, which, why can't Elias stop it? Why is it up to John? The fact that Elias killed Gertrude because she was trying to destroy the archive, knowing what it would do to her. I'm assuming that she knew what it would do to her. I feel like Gertrude was way too smart to, like, fall into that kind of trap. I don't know. I am excited for the new episodes, though. I am so insanely excited for, I guess not the new episodes, but, like, the next episodes. You guys know what I mean. But yeah. Blind react tomorrow. Fuck, man. I'm excited and scared. This whole video is basically me saying, like, this situation's fucked. I can't wait to see more of it and see how fucked it truly gets. Yeah, again, no spoilers in the comments. Telling me I wasn't necessarily off the right track, like, that's fine. But, like, please, I want to experience this for the first time myself. And I know that you guys want to do that too. So, if anyone spoils shit in the comments, don't, like, mass report them or anything, but, like, call them a dick, I guess. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for the official blind react to episode 93. Oh, shit.
Who is sexualizing John the Archivist's whimpers? Like, what? He's in pain. Like, I admit, he's hot. The disembodied voice, yeah, he's hot. The whimpers themselves, I've never found them sexual, and I think I should get a medal for that. Also, stop setting off fireworks! It's July 5th! You okay, Ellie?
And look! Very nice box. For my trinkets. Another box for my trinkets! What's going on? It's Trinketville!
Oh no. I hope no avatars kidnap my archivist. John, who works in an isolated, unmonitored area of the Magnus Institute archives in London.
Take my eyes, take them aside. Take my face and desecrate my arms and legs. They get in the way and take my hands, they'll understand. Take my heart, pull it apart, and take my brain or what remains and throw it all away. 'Cause I've grown tired of this body, a cumbersome and heavy body.
Where are his eyes? Exactly where they've always been, Martin. Watching over my institute.
Tell me a sound that's better than this.
Elias, it doesn't have to be like...
Oh, hello, John. Apologies for the deception, but I rather wanted to make sure you started reading, so I thought it best not to...
See, I think I'd make a perfect leader. I'm very hands-on. And by that I mean my hands on this big red button. If all the world's a stage, then I shall play my part. You may say it's cliche, but I say that it's an art. Every deck needs a knave to come and stack the cards. The world may be yours to save, but it's mine to tear apart.
I have reason to believe my grandma was Gertrude Robinson. So she got these 3 books when I was a kid before she passed away. She put them in the back room and said, don't fucking touch them. Guess what? The back room is now my bedroom, and she is dead, so I'm going to touch them. These things are decrepit and literally falling apart, and they smell like if you flooded a Catholic church with swamp water. Needless to say, I have obtained my first light nurse. What crimes will I commit?
Perhaps you have simply forgot what you signed, oh honestly. Did you not read the colony policy that defined you as company property?
Martin, come here. What's up? Come in here. Oh my god. They made a documentary about me?
Why the fuck would they make a documentary about you?
I don't know, man. This is the first I'm hearing of this.
What is it about?
I guess just me. I don't know why.
He's just normal. He's just talking about how you're regular?
Yeah, it's like, hey man, you chose to do this. Maybe I was in the Olympics and forgot, but how would I forget?
My name is Dr. Ford, and I'm a Martin Hurley expert.
What? I met that guy like once.
March 8th, 2012. The day of Martin's first wet dream.
Wow, okay. Really is an expert. They got my mom to do this? Hey, Ben!
For me, this story has a happy ending. I've met someone.
Is he dating my mom? I'm scared. Like, the Tiger King guy went to jail.
Not because of the documentary. Martin's second wet dream. Oh, can we watch something else? It's really boring.
It's just a slow build. No way. No. Oh my god. That's John.
What the hell?
I still don't even know who you are.
I am Michael. I was not always Michael. I do not want to be Michael. Being Michael stole the only purpose I have ever known.
You were Gertrude's assistant, weren't you?
No.
But the tape, I
heard
you.
You heard Michael.
What the hell are you
Quiet, archivist.
You don't want to do that. I mean, you can if you really want to, but you're not going to like it. Sometimes not being able to see something is actually quite a good thing.
Who are you?
Well, my father called me Nicola, and then I killed him. So I thought I rather deserved to have his second name too, which makes me Nicola Orsinov. Pleased to meet you at last.
You killed Gregor Orsinov?
Yep. He got really boring, and I'm a monster. I mean, what do you want me to do? Not pull him apart? I did use all the bits.
Who is sexualizing John the Archivist's whimpers? Like, what? He's in pain! Like, I admit, he's hot. The disembodied voice, yeah, he's hot. The whimpers themselves, I've never found them sexual, and I think I should get a medal for that. Also, stop setting off fireworks! It's July 5th! You okay, Ellie?
What I've been doing to these people, it hasn't been because I was puppeted or controlled or possessed. I wanted to do it. It felt good. But at least I know I can stop. I just don't know how. I don't want to stop.
Trust in the all-seeing, all-knowing eye.
is Walter White couldn't have done it without me. I was indispensable. I kept...
Skin like a Cheshire cat. I think that you are just a grin, and I can feel you laughing under my skin, and the happy combinations that make it. In the twilight zone, and I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? When I come home at night.
Who is sexualizing John the Archivist's whimpers? Like, what? He's in pain! Like, I admit, he's hot. The disembodied voice, yeah, he's hot. The whimpers themselves, I've never found them sexual, and I think I should get a medal for that. Also, stop setting off fireworks! It's July 5th! You okay, Ellie?
Your only personality trait is that you like One Direction. I like 5 Seconds of Summer too, bitch.
That little light began to grow. There was nowhere I could go. And the ground began to shake. No time left to hit the brake.
Episode 147. Weaver.
I am not a brave man. I believe I'm starting to come to terms with that fact.
There's an archivist loose in the archives. It's never happened before. No one knows what the archivist is going to do next. Least of all the archivist. He's never been in an archive before. He's as confused as you are.
Freaking hell. Oh my god.
Statement of Jane Prentice regarding a wasp's nest in her attic. Original statement given February 23rd, 2014. Audio recording by Jonathan Sims, Head Archivist of the Magnus Institute, London. Statement begins.
You can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
Where you go, I go. That's the deal. I'm going to kill you. Maybe we both die. Maybe everything works out. We end up somewhere else. Are you sure about this? No. But I love you. I love you too.
What in the fuck knuckles is this?
She's my girlfriend, you intolerant shit.
Whoa! Pump the hate brakes, Fox and friends. I'm just surprised anyone would date you. Especially Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony.
So cool. So cool. So cool.
Sans,
so
what are you
cool.
doing?
So cool.
Sans!
So cool. So cool.
Sans!
So cool. So cool.
Shut the fuck up, Sans!
So cool.